What's going on guys, Kyle here from GuideWise. In this video, I will show you how to use vidIQ keyword score to rank faster. In the left column, select keywords, then type in your video idea. So I will type in beach vlog and then hit enter. I will then get an overview score for beach vlog. So search volume is high with 51,627. And then the competition is 44.9 medium. If you scroll to the bottom, you will then see matching keywords. For example, daily vlog, Long Beach. So if I select that, it will now show me it has a high search volume of 9,588 and the competition is very low at 16.1. So you want to look for keywords that have a high search volume and low competition rate. When you find those keywords, use them in your titles, tags, and descriptions to increase your chances of ranking. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.